Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the essentials so design decisions are fast and consistent. Start a new Canva design and pick a media kit template close to your layout goal. This saves time. Once done, upload your logo, headshot, and sample assets into Canva. It speeds iterations. Make sure you set brand colors using HEX codes and choose matching fonts in the brand kit if available. This prep reduces guesswork later and keeps your media kit professional from the first edits. Next, organize your content into clear sections: about, audience stats, services, rates, and contact. Use Canva grids and frames to drop images in and maintain consistent spacing. That keeps visual hierarchy strong. Replace placeholder copy with concise bullets and measurable stats: followers, engagement rate, audience demographics, so brands can evaluate you quickly. Once that's placed, adjust typographic scale: headline, subhead, body. Make sure to keep white space. It improves readability and highlights your key offerings. To finish, double-check alignment, contact details, and pricing clarity, then export as PDF print for crisp results. If you need clickable links, add them in Canva before exporting. This helps recipients navigate. Save a flattened PNG version for sharing on social media. If something goes wrong, like layout shifts or missing fonts, reopen the file, re-upload missing fonts or assets, or flatten problematic pages to images and reassemble. That fixes rendering issues across platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.